Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew from AR Media. In today's video, I just want to do an unboxing of the Target exclusive 4K version of Infinity War. Now, I wasn't even planning on double dipping this, but I saw this gift box and I saw this package and just had to get it. Now, this comes with an awesome 40-page booklet. It comes with some of the best artwork I've seen, and overall is just a great package that I just wanted to go over in depth with you guys, share some pictures with you guys so you guys can help pick which version of Infinity War you want to get. I know the Best Buy Steelbook looks good, I know the Target exclusive looks good, and I know even the regular slip looks good, but this is just to help break down what comes in this edition, give you better pictures, and just let you know which one to pick up. So let me know down below what you thought of this edition, let me know which edition you picked up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.